is also called RO. I talk about reverse osmosis water a lot, but I never told it's not. And it's hooked up to my spigot that's over here. They're out on my balcony, and they're all aligned to your sink or to your shower. I also use, let's go back inside, light color, but this one is much darker. A little bit of water. I just use my spray bottle. Keep going until I feel a little bit more weight in the pot. If I were to drip out the act of watering microturbic plants. The next category we're going to talk about is feeding. So I don't actively can. I've read that if they don't catch anything, then you don't actually really need to feed them. Their body just receiving a lot of sunlight and this is a very sticky substance. This is my cercin. That is living in one of these pictures. There's a live spider. So I'll make sure it keeps growing upwards and eventually it could choke out the plants. Especially with Terrarium, I've noticed that if the moss grows up too tall, I think it might.
Walking my dogs is crazy. Luckily, mealtime doesn't have to be chaos.
The artist kitchen. Yeah, this is a Justinian Fotida, and I've been